keeping. It's just it grows. Then I can learn better and I can also improve my own craft. So while thank you for the lovely words, Rutvik, it was really special and beautiful as well. I won't deny that it does make you feel very nice that चलो कुछ तो अच्छा कर रहे हैं हम काम कर रहे तो. But it's really a very collaborative thing. जितना मैं ज़्यादा काम कर रही हूँ मैं उतना समझ रही हूँ कि no credit is your own. Of course, I'll fight for my credit on a film if I don't get a credit. But that's a different thing. We cannot survive without each other, I think, and that goes with every kind of profession that we are into here. Whether we are supervising somebody or whether we are in front of the mic or behind the mic, it is a collective effort. मैं भी आप है तो मैं हूँ तो आप है. So it just keeps growing that way. So I do feel it's a collaborative success and collaborative, not so many successful days as well. So thank you for being so responsive. अब मैं बस एक छोटी सी चीज़ कहूँगी, जो मेरा लास्ट और इस टाइप का एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, the senior batch and the younger voices, both this batch has made it very difficult for me to bring them शांत हो जाओ. I had to really they bonded very quickly. So it's a good energy, I would say, but you all bonded so fast that it was very easy for me to also push you further. बिकॉज वो एक एनर्जी रूम में आ जाती है विच इज़ वेरी वेरी पॉजिटिव. वरना एक 12 सेशन के कोर्स में थोड़ा टाइम तो वही जाता है टू ब्रेक आइस अमंगस्ट योर सेल्फ, विच दो घंटे में आप अगर आइस ब्रेकिंग नहीं करो तो सीखोगे कब. आई एम वेरी मच लाइक चलो 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 काम शुरू करते हैं टाइप्स. सो आई रियली सॉर्ट ऑफ थैंक द सीनियर बैच फॉर दैट. With younger voices, I am really sort of, it pushed my boundaries in a way where I had to rethink a few things in a good way. That how could this be taught, because they were receiving very differently. And it's very surprising कि January से लेके December एक साल भी पूरा नहीं हुआ है, but how both the cohorts are giving such different pushing of the boundaries का space for me. It's very different कि कितना fast चीज़ें भी बदल रही है आप मतलब सब जगह पे. So I'm really sort of grateful for both the spaces that I was in, and to be honest I never saw it as two different groups and I struggle in deciding कि अच्छा ये ऐसा वाला बैच है ये वैसा वाला बैच है. For me it's just voices and humans and we're just working with those two elements that we have. बाकी सारी चीज़ें is very sort of ancillary to this. So that's been my experience, and I've always felt very precious about this program that has been brought to me early this year. Hello. No, it's okay. It's fine. I just feel nobody in my experience, and I believe मैं enough काम कर रही हूँ to understand what's going on in the industry. कोई इस किस्म का काम कर नहीं रहा है. A company might think of it very differently because they have very different thought process behind projects, but the heart and soul of this is extremely precious, and I don't think anybody is focusing on giving voices genuinely. I'm not playing with the words, giving voices to senior batches. People, and I've received this individually that हम पे तो कोई नजर ही नहीं देता है, and just by the way बोल देता है, which is true, I don't deny, and I think this is so precious that कोई नजर दे रहा है, बहुत ध्यान से और प्यार से दे रहा है. And similarly working with the younger voices also, catering to different kind of younger voices, I think it's a great space to be in. I haven't worked with such dedicated spaces outside. I may be doing a lot of voice work, but catering to these two voices, different voices, yet the same, it's very very precious personally to me. So that's it.